welcome back. Today I'm setting the table for Thanksgiving. This year I didn't go out and buy anything new except for this table runner that I found at IKEA for $8, and I loved the olive toned stripes. I thought it would be perfect for fall, and I also love that it's very long and it covers my table. I usually have to layer 2 table runners to cover my entire table, so I thought this was a great find. I've also been collecting amber colored vases and items from thrift stores, and I also have these amber glasses that I found on Amazon a while back, as well as an assortment of Dollar Tree pumpkins and thrifted candlesticks, and I wanted to put it all on display on this table setting and of course share it with all of you and hopefully give you some ideas for your own holiday table decor. So I hope you'll sit back and relax and enjoy watching and listening to the music as I set the table.